Hey guys, this is Tyler or T-Chart from the chat room, and this is my setup. It's a cheap setup. These two monitors on the left I've had forever. The one on the right I got on sale recently. I use TD Ameritrade for swing trading, and I use Thinkorswim to watch the SPY on the 1-minute chart. And I also keep my Bear Bull Trader chat room open on the left. Two on the right I use for DAS, and I'm still in simulator, becoming more profitable each day, so I'm honing in on using real money. I use a Taboo wireless mouse, but I love this ball mouse because I can zip back and forth between my monitors. It's super helpful. And just in case my mouse or keyboard fail, I have an emergency wired mouse, wired keyboard, just in case. Trash can for tequila bottles. So I've learned from Brian that tequila is very important for day trading. And I have a brand new used computer. I've tweaked a little bit to keep everything running with a battery backup, just in case something terrible happens and power goes out, which I also keep my internet and I can check the status on the battery backup. And some notebooks up here for journaling my trades. And that's pretty much it. Got a bookshelf, printer, my lucky coffee mug, the self-portrait on it. All right, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think. Have a great day and happy trading.